The woman was old and ragged and grey, bent with the chill of a winter's day. The streets were wet with the falling snow, and the woman's feet were aged and slow. She stood at a crossing and waited long, alone, uncared for, amid the throng of human beings who passed her by, nor heeded the glance of her anxious eye. Down the street, with laughter and shout, glad in the freedom of school let out, came the boys like a flock of sheep, hailing the snow piled white and deep. Past the woman so old and grey, hasted the children on their way, nor offered a helping hand to her. So weak, so timid, afraid to stir, lest the carriage wheels or the horse's feet may shroud her down on the slippery street. At last came one of the merry troop, the gayest laddie of all the group. He paused beside her and whispered low, "I'll help you across if you wish to go." Her aged hand upon his strong young arm she placed, and then, without hurt or harm, he guided her trembling feet along, proud that his own were firm and strong. Then back again to his friends he went, his young heart happy and well content. She's somebody's mother, boys, you know, for all she's old and poor and slow, and I hope some fella will lend a hand to help my mother, you understand. If ever so poor and old and grey, when her own dear son is far away, and somebody's mother bow low her head, in her home that night the prayer she said was, "God be kind to that noble boy, he's somebody's son, both pride and joy."
I don't know if she remembers all that.
Grandma used to sit for hours and say, "You don't say it like that, you say it like this."